it was about Double Dragon at that time. And I've heard a lot of things about them, especially their founder. So si Inja. I've been following his story from the Mang Inasal days, venturing into sa Double Dragon. So I'm very inspired doon sa part na yun. So sabi ko ganon, once Double Dragon goes IPO, I'll definitely buy it. I bought. Hindi ko siya ginalaw for quite a while. From 2 pesos, imagine going into 10, 12 pesos. Ang laki nun. At that time kasi wala pa ako ganong kalaking experience on the market. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Up to the point na dahil sa sobrang frustrated na ako na hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko, hinayaan ko na lang siya. And it turned out after, I think, a few more months, nagulat na lang ako when I checked, it's around 40 pesos na. The very first thing na gusto kong ma-achieve is to earn 1 million in just one trade. And I was really happy to see that I was able to get that from Double Dragon.